Is there anything better than a bacon butty? And a cup of Yorkshire Gold. So here we are in the kitchen of my new place. So this is a quick little video off schedule. Going to do a bit of a flat tour, show you around, show you what's what, and you can have a look at my brand spanking new kitchen, which is actually about the same size as my old place, but the way it's laid out, I've actually got more space. Got less cupboard space, but I'm going to work on that. But it's a damn sight better than my old place. I don't have to put up with that BS cooker anymore. Here we go, look. Same old, isn't it? So come on then, let's have a look around. Let me show you my new flat. So really, let's start with the main event, the kitchen. Everything's brand new. Mugs there, look. He likes it on the kitchen floor for some reason. I think it must be because it's nice and cool. But as you can see, it's all new worktops. I'm very limited with cupboard space. This is the main cupboard, and I've got a lot of kitchen stuff. So yeah, we're gonna have to work something out there. And again over here, I've got some more worktops. Got my lovely new knives. Got like a little cupboard bit there. I can't really open it because the flipping door handle's knackered, so I've got to fix that. Got my fridge freezer here. Some bits on the top. Back door, which I'll show you outside in a minute. And look down here, look, here's the washing machine. There's a cupboard there. That's got like cleaning stuff in. Got some more drawers there. Another cupboard there which has got some stuff in. Can I scooch around, Moggs? Thank you very much. And then under here, that's my water heater. Because this building's got no gas, everything's electric. So all my radiators are electric and my hot water is supplied through that. Does the job fine, so no need to worry about 2 utility bills, just the one. And the main thing in the kitchen, look, brand new cooker, look at this. It's swanky, isn't it? It's an electric oven, fan assisted. I'm pleased to note, remember like a few videos ago, I did like I think it was a sausage tray bake. And I bought this brand new tray for it specifically, and it didn't frickin' well fit in my old oven. But it doesn't bloody flipping well fit in the oven, does it? Well, it fits in this one. Small pleasures, eh? And there's my electric hob. In an ideal world, I'd want gas, just because you get better heat control, but like I said, this property hasn't got gas, so I can't have it, can I? But electric's gonna be fine, it'll do the job. And then down here, there's a bit of a vacant space. I think I'm gonna get like a trolley or something, just to sort of sit under there and put whatever in there, fruits, vegetables, crockery, I don't know. But at the minute, it's a little sort of Moggs feeding station, I guess. What say you, pal? As I said, I'll show you out the back in a minute, but let's go on into the living room. I'm still in the middle of unpacking, so there's going to be stuff everywhere. It's going to look quite empty in places, but I've got a lot of stuff to do. I've got to get a new bed, got to get a new settee, because I've had to bring this crappy old thing I've had for years. And it's currently my bed at the minute, until I get my new bed. I've had to draw the curtain a bit, because if I show you outside, like where the front is, it's going to give away my address, which isn't a good idea, is it? To be honest. But got a nice big window there, you can't see because it's all blown out, but there's a window, got my TV. We've got brand new laminate flooring, which unfortunately has a bit of a divot in it, a bit of a dent. That is because some twat, when the property was vacant, decided to put a brick through the window. Yeah, so that's currently with the police and they're handling that. But it's been replaced, and I think the landlord's going to send someone out to sort that out. But yeah, that's my living room. And I've got this gammy old flipping light bulb thing, socket, I don't know what it's called, but whoever lived here before was probably a smoker, because that's all like ick, so I've got to clean all that. And I've got to undo a lot of stuff that the builders have done, because look at that, come on. All right, all cack and bits of dust and paint all on it, look. So a bit of paint thinners, probably sort that out. If not, I'll just replace them. Again here, look. Yeah, I've got a lot of stuff like that to undo. Like you see on the floor, look, there's bits of paint and, you know, cack on there, which I've got to get off. But it's a vast improvement to what this place was before. Apparently, so the landlord says, it was literally a drug den. So that's nice. Then here's the bedroom. Again, it's all a bit messy at the minute, because I've got a lot of stuff to put away, find space for, which I haven't got much of. I'm gonna have to get creative with the space that I've got. Got no curtains up in the bedroom yet, so I've had to put like a sheet over there. The old computer workstation, that's where all the magic happens, where I edit my videos. But this is going to be my bedroom. Got a chest of drawers over there, and you can see it. And the old wardrobe. Now, piece of advice for you. Okay, if you've got a cheap, crappy wardrobe like mine, and you're thinking of moving, don't put tape on the doors to keep it shut, because when you take the tape off, it also takes off the laminate. So that's ruined. Same with the old chest of drawers and all. Oh well, I'm going to get new ones anyway, so it don't really matter. And then in here is sort of like a, I don't really know, it's a bit of a vacant space. Let's turn the light on. Mog's litter box there, lovely. And then again, I've just got more stuff here. I've got like some shelving in there, look, which I've used to sort of, let's turn the brightness up a bit. I've just used it for like kitchen storage at the minute because I've got so much stuff, I don't know where to flip and put it all. You can recognise some of the pots and pans in there from my videos. And then in here, look, is the toilet. Shower there as well. Like some weird heater thing. I don't know. Is that safe? Around water? I don't think so, but never mind. I don't intend to use it anyway. Bit of a space there, toilet, you know what that looks like. Sink, and a window. So yeah, that's the flat really, that's the inside. So shall we have a look outside? Right, let's have a look outside. Got a bit of a shared garden. It's nice and sunny today. Yeah, we've got a bit of a shared garden. Let me swing you around so you can have a look. Here you go, you can see you've got a bit of a shared garden, got the bins at the back, nice. I'm not going to swing to the right because that will reveal my neighbour's front door, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, it's a bit of a shared garden. So I've got some washing up there, look. But one of my neighbours, he's sort of made a bit of a sort of bed here with some stuff in. Got some, I think there's strawberries in there. Some more strawberries here. Got some thyme. I think there's some potatoes in here as well, actually, I think he said. He's growing some tomatoes as well, look. And he's recently put some grass seed on this patch because the landlord had, when he was sort of renovating the place, just put loads of junk there. And now he's got rid of it. He's put some grass seed down, so that'll seed nicely. Hopefully we're going to do the rest of this as well because as you can see it's a bit patchy. There's some junk there which I'm hoping the landlord will get rid of. But look, it's got like a little gazebo, a little barbecue, which he said I can use as well. Got like a bit of a overhang bush here, so it's nice and private. Moggs will come out here eventually, but I'm going to keep him in for a couple of weeks so he gets settled, you know, he can put his scent down and all that kind of stuff so he knows where to come home. Not that I think he'll go anywhere, to be honest. He's mostly an indoor cat, but it'd be nice for him to come out here and relax and get some sunshine. One of my neighbours does have a little kitten, so I'm not sure how that's going to pan out, but we'll see. Here's the back door, the kitchen window, and the door to go back in, which we'll do now. That's it really, it's nothing else to really show, but I've got a lot of work to do still. Finding homes for stuff. I'll get some net curtains for the front as well, because like literally people can just peer into my living room when I've got the curtains open, so that's not good. But what I like most about this place, and it was the main selling point, is the kitchen. Behind me now, I've got that massive window, loads of natural light, which is going to really improve my content, really improve the footage. Because in the old kitchen, I didn't have that. Didn't have any natural light whatsoever. So the videos I filmed in that place weren't as good as they could be. I guess that's it really, there's not much else to show you. That's the flat tour done. So thanks for watching, hope you like the new place, hope you like the new kitchen, and I guess I'll see you Sunday. Laters.